Want to know how to choose and install themes in your site in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, we can just simply head towards themes right here and directly install it, or we can just go to a specific site and do it. Now, I'll just go for this site right here. So simply select this three dot and then head towards WP admin. This will open up your dashboard. Now, once you're under the dashboard, just simply head towards appearance on the left side right here. Now, once you're there, here you should be provided with themes. Now you can just simply sort up for themes in this section, or just scroll down until you find a good one. So here you can just simply scroll down, where you can also see available on business and much more settings. Now once you've found a correct one, and if you want to activate it, just simply select activate right here. That should be right beside preview. Now once you select activate here, if the theme costs money, here you should just simply check out into your billing information and continue to payment. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.